It's like through. Like the whole treble is like through. First cast with a spook. Damn. Nice. Yeah, I got him. Nice one, dude. Pushing 10 pounds. Yes, go. That was easy. I hope it takes me 30 minutes next time. At least he kicked off. Yeah, see him? See him? We gotta go right. Holy shit, bro. That's a quarter mile. You're in them from there. You should get one. You got one on you. You got one on you. Yeah, there you go. Sick. There he goes. It's going. Oh, sea robin, let's go. Let's go. Big robin on top. Big robin on top. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, he's on me. He's on me. He got it. Yeah, I know. Come on. Stop it. Fish finning right next to the boat. Right to the right of me. Come on. Come on, let's put a cast at him. Oh, I'm right in him. I'm right in him. Oh, what a strike, bro. Come on. One more. One more. Oh, again. Come on. Come on, come on. Right in front of me. Fish right in front of me. Come on, we gotta hook one of these. We gotta hook one of these. He's on it. Yep. Oh, come on. On it again. Jesus Christ, we are getting so unlucky. Look at this fish right here. Wow, that was cool. And we lost him again. Holy Jesus Christ. Okay, there's another one coming down that way. How many fish can we lose? Oh my mother God. Come on, give me a break. Give me a break here. We're like 0 for 10 right now. Instead of the beach. And there's another fish right there. Again, still on it. I probably sound annoying as shit in this video, but I'm getting frustrated at my lack of success here. Again, they're just working this whole line of current here, just up and down it. That was not a good cast, but I think we're still gonna get a bite. We'll just probably lose them halfway through the... Come on. Come on. Come on, eat it. Oh my God. What is happening today? What is happening? Like, why can't I land one, bro? I mean, I definitely... Would you stay hooked, please? So far I'm skunked. So far I'm f***ing skunked today. Come on, let's put one in the boat. Let's put one in the boat. Let's put one in the boat. Come on, buddy. Give me that leader. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, I gotta man up here a little bit. Just leader this fish. All right, got one in the boat. Now we're gonna get a hook in our leg. All right, we did it. We did it. Only took us 65 tries, but it's all good now. Now the best part. Alright, there she goes. Finally got one in the boat. I appreciate your kindness. Let's get another one. Bro, why is it windy now? Oh, there was a fish. Come on, come back. Yes. Oh, I got bit off. This is an unlucky day so far. Alright, we retied feverishly. See if we can find another fish. I'm throwing this now, because now I only have 30 pounds mono, because I just got bit off. Let's see if we see a fish. Fish right here. Fish right here. Alright. Big one, big one. Big bluefish. Damn. Look. I don't really feel like getting near him, but wow, that's a nice fish. There's another huge one right behind me. Holy shit. Yo. Look at his fin. Look at his fin. This fish won't turn his head. Big grease. Perfect. Honestly, that's fucking fine. I'll take it. Where'd that other one go? Would have liked to get him in the boat, but at the same time, I don't need to unhook that fish. Up. Yep. The boys are probably doubled over there. We're in like 2 feet of water right now. Back down on him. I'm backing down on him. Come on, come on, come on. All right. Let's see if we can find a nice, easy way to do this. There he goes. Nice. That's a unhook a bluefish. Johnny's got a stud. If you get him by the gill, you can really control him. Yeah.
Or you just gonna come in?
Just grab. Yeah. All right. Nice. Stud.
Oh shit. What's trying to bite me?
All right, there's a bunch of fish right in front of me. Oh, there. Here, here. Come on. Should be a bite. I'm on. Yo, I had 2. I just lost 1. I had 2. I got it on video. I had 2 fish on the same plug. That was pretty sick. There's a bunch near me, boys. Come on. Come on. GoPro died, but got him in the boat. Send him back. Up in the yak. Big blues everywhere. going in the water. Sick.
Dude, this thing's jumping in. Alright, I'm coming back.
Oh, there was one just right there. Fatty fresh. Hooked up to a big one, as usual. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's your. Whoa, 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 whoa! Where's your line?
Oh, you see that?
Dude, you almost cut my head off. Jesus Christ, it scared me.
I just.
This is so sick, dude. This is so sick. This is peak blue fishing. Nice.